Hi naturals, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm simply going to be showing you how to make a DIY hairspray that will help you even while you're on protective style, because I know a lot of people experience a lot of itchy scalp while they're on protective style. So I'm simply going to show you how to use common ingredients to prepare hydrating hairspray that will help to prevent itchy scalp and also grow your natural hair. And if this sounds like something you're interested in, keep watching this video to the end. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're coming across the channel for the first time, please don't make it your last time. On this channel I share natural hair growth remedies. I show you how to make your hair growth product and all those good stuff. If this sounds like what you're interested in, kindly join the family by clicking on the subscribe button and also turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified when there's a new video on this channel. I'm going to be using fenugreek and hibiscus to prepare this spray. Fenugreek is really good when it comes to hair growth and itchy scalp. It helps to combat hair loss and also prevent dandruff. And hibiscus is loaded with lots of vitamins that are actually very essential for your daily hair needs. So I'm just going to be using these two ingredients, and I'm also going in with some hot water, and I'm going to be infusing this for 2 hours. After 2 hours I'll go ahead and strain it, and I'll use the spray to massage my scalp like you see me did in the beginning of this video, because when your scalp is moisturized even while you're on protective style, this will promote healthy hair growth. And since we are also using fenugreek, which is very good when it comes to preventing itchy scalp, this spray will also help you stop itchy scalp and help you grow a healthy hair. So guys, this is very easy to make. I am just going to set this aside and I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like after 2 hours. Like I said before, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're coming across the channel for the first time.